Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me here, Abdul, the CEO of this channel, Abitrage. So in this video, we're talking about cardless or borderless arbitrage that will make you earn 100k daily. So in this channel, this is the type of videos we are making on this channel. So if this is your favorite and this is what you want, so you have to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So this video today we are talking about the arbitrage between the NGN and KEX, which is Kenyan shilling. So after you subscribe, so we get into the video direct. So this is our Binance. We all know about Binance. Is the peer-to-peer market, the global market in which everyone normally trades cryptocurrencies and USDTs. So we got to head into P2P section to see the rate. So we have to change this NGN to KES. So this is KES. We have to check about their price. Let's see. Their dollar price here is 125.77 GHS. So we got to filter it here to only matched, so we cannot fall for scam. So those are the matched that normally sell. Since we are now buying, so we are going to buy from the sellers. So this is how the matched that sell. So they are selling at the price of 125.79 KSH, which is equivalent to. So we got to go and change it and look for where to pay this matched. So I forgot to tell you something. This arbitrage requires two things, which is Binance and cheaper cash. So at this cheaper cash, you need two cheaper cash, which is cheaper cash Kenyan and cheaper cash NGN, which is very easy to get from your relative living in Kenya or friends, or if you even have someone that will open the cheaper cash account for you, or if you even get a Kenyan SIM, so you now just open a cheaper cash with it. So let's just see what we are talking about here. This is our cheaper cash. We'll just wait for it to load. It's loading, so I'll just have to log in. After logging in, so this is the interface. This is the interface, so you have to just pay attention here. After you register your cheaper cash, the cheaper cash NGN, cheaper cash with cheaper cash KES, or you get a match that we call it a cheaper cash. So you just come into this button, send, which you have to send in send that match at making a payment. So just come here, send. So here in this video, we just show you the process. We just show you the process. So if you are here, you just choose using cheaper tag here, send by name or cheaper tag. So just add the cheaper tag that you want to send the money to. Like in the cheaper cash Kenya, you have a cheaper tag, so you copy the cheaper tag here and paste it at this cheaper tag space. So you guys to add it. You guys to add it like this. So I think this is a matched from Kenyan. Sorry, no, this is not Kenyan. So we have to like this. morning, morning, morning star. So this is David. So we have to check it now. We have to check it now. Like for instance, this is let's go back. Let me show you something. So you have to pay attention here. So this is 129 and 25.79, right? Let's just make it 126. It's okay. It's also okay. Let's just make it 126. So if you are here, let's for example order some of, like, let's say we are going for $100. So here will be 112,500, which is 125,000, which is 100. So I think this method is, let's just filter it from this amount, 125,000 KEX. So I think this method, so we just have 125,000, I think. Sorry, is it 12,500? Sorry, 12,500. So we go for this one, 12,500. So 12,500 will give us 99.3 USDT. So let's just see how much NGN will give us 12,500. Let's just see it here. So we are sending 12,500 to an Kenyan merchant, like Kenyan cheaper cash. So let's just put it here. You get 12,500 KHS, 12,500 KHS, which is KES, at the rate of 46,226 naira. Let's go into our calculator and put it here. 46,226 and 26 naira. This is what we are buying this 12,500 KSH with, So for example, let's say you send this KHS to that you are cheaper cash Kenyan, or that you are merchant from cheaper cash, or you are relative with cheaper cash Kenyan. So they will receive this 12,500 KHS, and for example, this is cheaper cash Kenyan, so they will not come to outside cheaper cash, so this place, they will not just make it their country. So as a Nigeria, you cannot send into cheaper cash. You cannot send into to someone account with KES unless if we have cheaper cash. So this is the difference. So you have to send it to that cheaper cash first. You send it to cheaper cash Kenyan. So then from down cheaper cash Kenyan, then you send to their bank there in Kenyan, which you just go into Binance and look for the merchant account. Then you send it to him. Then he release your 99.38 USDT. So imagine, for example, let's say we have sent this 12,500 to cheaper cash, and we have bought it. We have bought that USDT using cheaper cash funds. We have bought it from merchant, and he released. This is just a calculation. If say I've even get a cheaper cash Kenyan, I will have practiced it now for you. Though I have practiced it with this David stuff, all this merchant. This guy, let me show you here. This guy. So I just practice it with him, and I see the rate is very good. So he received, I just sent him 500 naira. So I've noticed that he received almost 135 KHS, so which is very good. So I said, let me make this video for everybody to get it on. So imagine you are getting this 99.38, 99.38. So you have to copy it like this. For example, this 99.38 is in our wallet Binance. So let's just change this to NGN. This means we are just selling it back to NGN and see if we can make a profit. So let's just filter this to, for example, let's say 75,000. So you have to change it to sell, which I believe everyone here knows how to sell in USDT in Binance. So this is our Binance. We are selling at the rate of 750. Let's just see. Let's paste this 99.38 USDT. So we are receiving the amount of, okay, sorry, let's just give it a fucking calculation. 99.38. This is the rate in which we got this at. Let's just let's get the USDT price first. 750 times 99.38. This is 75,035. So we come here. Fuck, let's just 40. This is the rate in which we have sold our USDT, 74,535. Then let's just check this price in which we have bought our USDT, 12,500 KHS. So this is what we are spending. You send 46,226, they get 12,500. So let's just minus this amount from what we have sold already, 46,226. So we have to minus it from this amount, minus 46,226 and 26 naira, which is close to 28,309. Which, if you can get this video correct with me, this we are making profit of 28,309 naira, which is so much. It's a lot. It's very good. So I would just make you remember, you have to hit this subscribe button so you get much opportunity like this, and you have to join our WhatsApp group. The link is in description of this video. So, and I will drop a link. If you don't have a cheaper cash, I will drop a link for you to download this cheaper cash at Play Store or any of your app store. If you can get it, if you are using iPhone, so you can just use App Store. It's very good. So this is just a calculation. Remember, you are sending your NGN first. You got to find this account. So since here is 00, then you found it at cash, enter amount, then you have to find like 50,000, and you continue. Payment method, card. Just use your Nigerian card. They will just take 10 naira. Take 10 naira. So this network is just giving me some stuff. So you have to just find your cheaper cash, and after finding it, send it to cheaper cash Kenya. After you send it to cheaper cash Kenya, after you send it morning star, I think. Let me just get it correct. Sorry. Okay, this is Ari. This is Ari morning. Ari morning star. So imagine you found 50,000, so you are sending 46,000 naira. So you as you can see, the price is changing, so you have to calculate first before making any transaction. 5,500, so you'll be spending 46,226 naira. Not you just add business, so you just send, you will receive the money instant. So you can see insufficient balance, I'm not having this amount in my wallet. So as you just send, it will just appear in his cheaper cash. So from that his cheaper cash, or from that cheaper cash you are controlling, so you just send it to any amount in any bank in Kenya. So the merchant will just release your coin, which is 99.38 USDT. So you come and sell it back to NGN and make a fucking profit. If you like this video, give us a comment, and if something will look very complicated, here is my WhatsApp number in the screen of this video, so you can contact me in WhatsApp for guidance. You have to join our WhatsApp group because it's a new group before it pulled up, so you can get many opportunities to make a lot of money. We are not stingy. We are sharing a lot of updates. So you guys to earn a lot with me. So thank you very much. This is Abitrage. This is a remembrance. Please subscribe for me. For this will make you get our updates in time. Thank you very much.